To always enable the eye comfort seal feature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display, tap display, tap eye comfort seal. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap custom. Next, tap set schedule and then select always on. Here, you can also manually adjust the color temperature that's right for you when the eye comfort seal feature is on. To do so, you can slide the adjustment bar below the color temperature to the left to get a cooler color, or you can slide it to the right to get a warmer color. With this setting, your phone will always enable the eye comfort seal feature. As a note given to the function, it'd be better if you enable the eye comfort seal feature in your phone regardless of which option you select, because this feature will keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.